Hi, Blaze from QuickBooks here with another Payroll 101 lesson. This time, we're going to look at a paycheck to understand its key elements, calculate the employee's take-home or net pay, and then we'll calculate how much that paycheck costs to the company and compare that to the employee's net pay. Now, this video may be a great video for you to send on to your employees or to any new business owner you know. So here's the sample paycheck that we'll be looking at today. Your paycheck may or may not look just like this, but there are some key elements that all paychecks will have, such as the paycheck date. Now, this date drives the calculations and reportings for the payroll. Next, you want to talk about the wages earned, or also known as the total pay. Now, this is what an employee is paid for work performed in a specific time period. It could be based on things such as numbers of hours worked, or commissions from sales, or even a fixed amount for salaried employees. Next, we have employee taxes or tax withholdings. These are taxes that are taken out of the employee's wages and are held by the employer to be paid at a later date. Now on to employee deductions. Now, these may or may not be on your paycheck. These are any additional amounts that the employee wants withheld from their paycheck. In this case, it's for a retirement plan. Okay, so how do we calculate the net pay or the take-home pay? The net pay or the take-home pay is the total wages earned minus everything that's taken out of the paycheck, like employee taxes and deductions. So this is the amount that the employee takes home. Now, also on this paycheck, you have employer taxes. These are additional expenses that are commonly used to fund programs such as unemployment. And lastly, for today, we have employer contributions, which also may or may not be shown on the paycheck. These are additional employer expenses in the form of contributions like retirement plan matching from the company. Okay, so now the question is, what is the total cost to the company for this paycheck? So while the employee took home $340.58, what was the total cost to the company for this paycheck? Feel free to pause the video and see if you can calculate the amount. Okay, you think you got it? Let's find out. The total cost is equal to the total pay plus the employer taxes and the employer contributions, which comes to $522.20. So while the employee took home $340.58, the company paid about additional $181.62 more. That's all for today's episode. Thanks so much and have a great day.